So where do we go from here? What is the first true step to being able to calculate how much food we need to be eating? So the very first term that we learned was the BMR, the basal metabolic rate. So our next step in figuring out what we want to do with our body, whether that's to cut fat, to maintain, or to build muscle mass, is figuring out our caloric maintenance. How many calories we need to consume in order to maintain our current body. So with that, we take our BMR and we multiply it with our activity level multipliers. Now, these multipliers are based around your activity level, as shown in the figure. So, for example, if you know you live a relatively sedentary lifestyle, you're going to multiply that BMR by 1.2. Now, on the other side of the spectrum, if you are an extremely active person, you're going to multiply your BMR by 1.9. Now, by doing so, this will give you the exact number of calories that you need to consume on a day-to-day basis in order to maintain your current physique. So, as a side note, what I've done over the last few years and what I've found that works the best is if you just go ahead and assume that everyone's sedentary. So in that case, multiply everyone's BMR by 1.2. Now, this speaks to my 2-pound rule, which I'll discuss in further modules. But by doing this gives you guys the lowest number of maintenance calories, and it allows you to better manipulate nutrition.